Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add profile photo on your AliExpress account. So first we're going to go to our AliExpress app, then click on account section on the lower right corner. Then next click on settings on the top right corner. While here click on profile. As you can see, you need to sign in with the passkey. Sometimes AliExpress does this for security reasons. So next we're going to click on the photo section. Then as you can see, you should not upload any inappropriate photos as they can be live in 24 hours. So once you choose your photo, you're going to click on use. Then as you can see, your profile photo has been uploaded. So this is how you do it. It's an easy process. Make sure to also check our other videos as we have plenty of them. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.